Okay, here we are again. Last time, I teach Iya math and that is subtraction. Now, I will teach Iya again, math again, and this time, it will be addition. Are you ready, Iya?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. 1 plus 1 equals?
2.
1 plus 2 equals?
3.
1 plus 3 equals?
4.
1 plus 4 equals? 1 plus 4 equals?
Equals 5.
5. 1 plus 6 equals? 1 plus 5 equals? Sorry. 1 plus 5 equals?
Equals 6.
6. 1 plus 6 equals?
7.
7. 1 plus 8 equals? 1 plus 7 equals? Sorry.
8.
Okay. 1 plus 9 equals? 1 plus 8 pala. Sorry. 1 plus 8 equals? Sorry po. 1 plus 8 equals?
6.
No. 1 plus 8 equals?
Equals 6.
This is 6, but this one, this time